Wow, what a lot of water. Almost into the door of the shop. Unbelievable. I mean, it's all working as it should, but it's overwhelmed. Oh, crap. Unbelievable. If I didn't have these swales, all this road would be washed out. Wow. Here's the swale by the fence. Look at that run. Here's where the French drain comes out. Right there, the underground drain. Otherwise, all of that would have been flooded, or just a mud hole. Look at that. His pond has got to be, it's full. Oh, absolutely, I can see it. It's full. And ours, look at this. Ours is overflowing. I mean, it's coming out the underground pipe, but it can't keep up with all that. Look at that. Look at the water coming in from that side going over to his pond. This is unbelievable. Look at, there's more. There's an underground. All those earlier swales go into this, and it's all underground under there. But look, it's all overwhelmed. Okay, we're coming up to where our neighbor's pond overflows. Yeah, his pond must be overflowing because look at the road. See, there's the dam. Look at it coming out his spillway. Crazy. This is the opposite end of our fence. That's his overflow. And that's about, I don't know, maybe a 4-acre pond. Woo, a lot of water. Here it is again from the other direction. Boy, with all this drought, it's too bad we couldn't figure out a way to capture all this water so that we can use it later. You know, like build dams and reservoirs or some kind of storage facilities. It's not like we don't have the money. Look at that, over the road. And that all goes on to that big 200 and something acres. They got a big pond there. And it's overflowing. Look at their pond. Look at, oh man, it's flooded. Wow. We're probably flooded. Holy Toledo. Now we're coming up on why that big ranch is flooded. Look at the raging. This is about, I don't know, a half a mile from where that pond empties on that property. It goes across their property and comes down here. Look at, it's crazy. Check out flooding on the road. Oh my God. Holy Toledo. Look at that. This will be interesting. Get an idea when this guy splashes. Good luck getting in there, buddy. You can't even see where the road is. Look at this guy's property here. Just flooded out. Crazy. Needless to say, this little pond at the bottom of the driveway filled up and overflowed quickly. A lot of water.